A festive pine scent with top notes of sweet berries and green apples. Now that Thanksgiving is officially over, our P&J Mistletoe fragrance is the perfect way to get you in the Christmas spirit. That's why we made this mistletoe gel air freshener. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. Simply place this gel air freshener in a smaller space like a bathroom. Or you can gift away to a friend or loved one. Make sure to check out more DIY holiday crafts on our channel, and we will see you next time.